So today I'm going to be doing my January favorites, and this is probably going to be a relatively quick video because I don't have too many products to share with you guys. I've been kind of like using the same kind of products lately, but I do have a couple like new products to share with you, and yeah, so let's just get started. So my first favorite is my Urban Decay Original Naked palette. If you saw my video last week, I'm kind of doing this new like challenge thing for myself to try to really like use a lot more of my products. So I decided to do a 1 month makeup palette kind of challenge for each month of the year. So I will have a different makeup palette that I will use for the entire month, and then the next month I'll move on to a next one. So for the first one, I wanted to use my Urban Decay Naked palette because this was like one of the first like makeup palettes that I got, and I honestly had not used it in probably over like 4 years, but I really love it. It's just like such classic colors, probably like one of the most like, I don't know, perfect palettes ever. I feel like it just works for everyone. You can go a little bit more warm, you can do a little bit more cool. There's just, I feel like so many things you can do with this. So I will have more information about the little challenge I'm doing in last week's video if you haven't already seen that. I thought that I would like maybe make more of a dent in this palette than I have, because I thought maybe if I use it for a whole month, maybe I'll like use up some shadows quickly, but these are still looking like very like new. And a couple things that I used with it, because I do want to like make myself not go crazy with doing the same exact looks for like an entire month, but I ended up using a couple cream shadows that I think work perfectly for this palette. So the first one is from Benefit. This is the RSVP like little shadow pot. This one I think worked really great for these lighter colors here. It was just perfect to kind of use as a base to kind of amp up the shadows a little bit. So that was one that I used, and then I also used one from Revlon. This one I've actually had for quite a while. I don't know if they still sell these, but this is the Revlon Illuminence Cream Shadow, and this one's in the color Precious Minerals. So these are the colors that come with it. It has like the perfect colors for this palette in my opinion. I just like dug my finger in it, but don't mind. So this like gray color up here works perfect for the color Gunmetal and kind of with Creep, so that one works great. The gold one here works great for Half Baked and Smog. Then there's like this bronzy color, that one I loved a lot with the color Smog Dark Horse, and then there's also like a burgundy kind of color here at the bottom, and that one worked great with Toasted and Hustle. So I've been using a lot of cream shadows this month. I find that it helped to kind of like amp up the shadows a bit, which I don't really think these need it, but it's just kind of fun and a different kind of texture to work with. So those I've been using a lot this month with my palette. Again, I really hope I'm able to stick to doing the entire year using just 12 of these makeup palettes, you know, one per month. So again, if you're interested more about that, I definitely have a video talking about all of that. My next favorite is one that I did a video talking about. This is from the Saem. It's the Saemmul Cream Stick Blusher. I did a whole video on this one going against a Misha kind of contour stick. I like them both, but I have a whole video talking about those in case you want to know more about that. But I've been using this one the whole month. I've really been liking using this for a contour and then doing my powder on top of it. I just really like the way it looks. I'm wearing it today. I think it just looks really nice on my skin, and I like kind of building the products, because sometimes the powder will just like stick in a weird way, but if I kind of like build it and layer it, I feel like it works really nicely together. So I've been using this along with my what's this called? Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee bronzer. So I've been using both of those for bronzer, but more specifically like this product. And then this brush I've been using with it to contour or blend out the contour. So this is from Coastal Scents. It's called the BR110. This one I feel like I got it like a few years ago, and I like never knew what to use it for, but it's extremely soft. It's like a flat top kind of kabuki brush, but it's so soft, it's so perfect, and I find that this one is just so great for blending my contour. So this I really love. I feel like I want to buy more of these Coastal Scent brushes because I used to use them all the time, and then I kind of forgot about them, but this is so soft. Another product that I have been using that I kind of completely forgot that I even owned until I started doing my makeup declutter series again. So this is from Sephora. It's the Pantone Universe Ravishing Dew Cream Blush, and it's in the color Radiant Orchid. So this one's actually quite an older product whenever Radiant Orchid was like the color of the year. So it was quite a few years ago, but I still like this product. So it's a cream blush, and it's like really intense, like the color wise, like that will definitely like show up. So how I like to apply this, I like to use like a very sparse type of brush. So this is just like one, I think I literally got this for like $1.50 from like Big Lots, but it's just like a really like sparse duo fiber kind of brush, and I'll just kind of like tap in it like once, kind of tap off onto like my hand a little bit, and then kind of buff it into my skin. Especially with a color like this, I have to be super careful, but I could also use this as a lip color. I feel like that would be super pretty, but it's been so long since I really loved doing cream blushes, but this one, I just love it. I'm wearing it today and it doesn't even look super over the top because I really buffed it in and just used a tiny bit. So it's not like super crazy over the top on my cheeks, and I don't know, I can't believe like I hadn't used this in so long, but I love this a lot, and I didn't really think I was gonna like it as much, especially with it being such an out there fun color, but I think that this one would also make a really great lip product. So I'll have to try this as a lip product. I haven't really done that yet, but maybe I'll do like a video. I've been wanting to do like a video on like doing a full face with as like least amount of products as possible, and I feel like that would be a good one for like a lip color and cheek combo kind of thing. So maybe I'll do something like that in the future. And then the last favorite is one that's actually a really new product to me. I actually got this from TJ Maxx, and it was on sale for like $6.99, and it was an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. I'd never tried their liquid lipsticks before, but I know like a lot of people like them. This one's in the color Milkshake. They also had like one other color. It's like a red color, can't remember what it was, but I was like, an Anastasia liquid lipstick for $6.99. I love this. I really, really like this a lot. This color is like perfect for me, but I can't wear this on its own, just like all over my lips. I tried that once and it looked crazy. So what I end up doing is using a darker lip liner under it and then applying this, and I feel like it works perfectly. I'm wearing it today. So the lip liner that I use, this is from NYX, and it's the color 810 Natural. This has been my go-to lip pencil, and so I just line my lips with that and then apply this. So that is it for my January favorites. Again, really short, but I didn't have really a whole lot of things to talk about this month, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.